What's up, guys? We'll be doing a little bit of work on the Supercharged Miata today. We'll be pulling off the HKS Sport exhaust and putting on the Tomei TI exhaust. So, hoping to get a little bit more aggressive look, a little bit more aggressive sound, and we'll see how it goes. We'll do a sound clip before and a sound clip after, and a little bit of shots on the lift installing it. So, cool. Let's get to it. Doing a quick before and after for the sound of the HKS Sport exhaust, and I just got the Tomei titanium exhaust, which, boy, could have packed the thing a little better. That's all I will say about that. Hopefully nothing messed up in there. Anyways, we'll do a quick little sound clip of everything. Do a little first and second gear. It's about all I can get in this little stretch of road. This is with the Racing Beat Catless midpipe and the Edelbrock Supercharger. So we'll see how the HKS sounds, and then we'll put the Tomei on and see how that sounds. Another look at the HKS Sport exhaust here. It's pretty flush with the bumper. It's actually a great fit on this exhaust. No complaints about this exhaust whatsoever. Racing Beat Catless midpipe, love that also. It fits perfectly as well. Just a great combination. With the hangers kind of placed on here, I'll need to move them around a little bit, but pull that off and put this on to see how it sounds. Two exhausts side by side, quite a bit different. It'll be interesting to see how much further the Tomei sticks out. Well, the exhaust is on. We'll drop it down, see how it looks. Looks pretty good so far though. It's definitely more kind of JDM aggressive look to it. Sticks out a little bit further. Looks like about an inch, but it's really about half an inch. Looks really good. See how it sounds. Install isn't too bad. The hangers are a little bit of a pain, but once you get them lined up, it's not bad at all. Certainly not as easy as installing this exhaust, which takes about 5 minutes if you're on a lift, if that. But yeah, the nice thing about the axle backs on the Miatas is they're all very easy to install. Here it is on the ground. It actually looks pretty good. Here, a stock, like almost fully stock. I don't know if it looked that good. I think it goes well with my car, but my car's got just about everything modded on it that you can. The video really makes it look like it sticks out further than it does. A nice tilt to it, a nice angle to it. Start it up, see how it sounds. there's the sound clip for the Tomei. It's definitely more raspier. Most titanium exhausts tend to be. I think the HKS sounds cleaner. It's kind of hard to tell just driving it in the parking lot though. Really got to get it on the highway and whatnot. It's definitely louder. That cold start was more of a warm start. It's only been a couple hours. It's definitely louder. I'm mixed on it so far. Just have to wait and see. Just have to drive it, break it in a bit, see which one I like better. That being said, I don't dislike it. Just got to see if that raspiness will kind of break in a bit more, make it sound a little bit better. If it does, then I'll probably keep it on and sell the HKS, so we'll see. Definitely like the looks of it though. Looks cool.